Alright, started with about half tank, made about an hour run, finally got it settled in, and it ran the tank all the way out. I do think that I do need to loosen these straps and turn the tank so that this nipple here is pointed back a little bit, because you can see the pretty severe crimp in the fuel line, and I believe that is what makes the draw a bit hard on the carb sometimes, or on the needle valve sometimes. Also, I did have trouble. The needle valve carb body is very warm right now, and I think that was causing a little bit of vapor lock issues, but I'm very happy with the new timing, and now we will start doing slower, softer springs and see if we can slow down a little bit.